Today, I'll be talking about the latest news surrounding Omagine, a company practically nobody was aware of until it exploded on the trading charts. On the 2nd of October, Omagine ended the session with gains of over 100%, closing at $3.29 on a dollar volume of 1.8 million. After some harsh corrections the following day, it ended the week at $2.40 on a similar volume. This huge movement is a direct result of the press release in front of you and an 8-K form that accompanied it. In short, Omagine signed a contract to develop a real estate project that should incorporate, by its words, cultural entertainment and residential components. It was signed with the government of the Sultanate of Oman. It will be developed through a limited liability subsidiary, also called Omagine, of which the company owns 60%. The other 40% are owned by Oman's Royal Court of Affairs. The reason I'm getting in depth is because, unfortunately, many of the people seem to be misled. Take, for example, the PR's title. A lot of people misinterpret what a multi-billion-dollar contract means. It means that the whole cost of the project, with materials and so on, would be worth $2.5 billion. This is still a huge scope for any company, and Omagine controls 60% of the subsidiary that will make it happen, so it will net only 60% of any profits of the project. Speaking of profits, it should be noted that as of June 30th this year, Omagine had acquired over $19 million in deficits since inception, and no revenues at all. The financials are concluded with $486,000 in cash out of the $504,000 in total current assets and $1.66 million in total current liabilities. But that's understandable. As you can see, the company practically wasn't a working entity up until this point. It's vital that you weigh in the importance of this, as together with another factor, it will dictate the stock's performance in the coming days. The other factor is the share structure of the stock. Currently, there are 16 million shares issued and outstanding. Last year, a total of 460,000 shares were sold at around $1 each. And this year, more than 1 million shares on similar prices. And that's just one thing. In the quarterly report, I saw that there are over 2.3 million stock options. That's to say, shares that could be created, on an average price of $1.73. The current market price sits at $2.40 per share. Moreover, the majority of those options expire at the end of this year, and considering the jump from the last few days, I'm betting whoever holds them will want to take advantage. Additionally, near the end of June, 1 million stock warrants were issued in relation to a stock purchase. The exercise conditions are the following. Each warrant can be converted into one common share for the greater sum of $1 or 80% of the closing market price of the day before, which could still net a healthy profit. Considering all I just laid out for you, I think it's safe to say that there may be a few volatile trading days waiting ahead for this stock. This is Martin Nadina for HotStock.com.
I have a small amount of money to invest and I want to gamble in the market. I'm looking for a penny stock that'll go up and turn it into $100,000 or $1 million.